Are you a fan of ripe plantains? Keep watching because in today's video I'm sharing another Panamanian recipe, Plátanos en Tentación or Caramelized plantains. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nadia and this is Nashi Food, where I teach you how to make Panamanian recipes at home. Plátanos en Tentación are a staple side dish for every special event and holiday meals. This sweet side dish would have all the family asking for seconds. A traditional way of making Plátanos en Tentación is using Coke or red soda, some sugar, or miel de caña. The end result will be a reddish color with a super sweet syrup from the soda and the sugar. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat plantains. My favorite way is in patacones, definitely. Stick to the end where I share some recipe variations for this dish. So obviously for this recipe, the main ingredient is fried plantains. So when you're going to buy ones for this type of recipe, make sure that they are yellow with black spots on it. The more black spots it have on it, the better, because we want it to be sweet. So to prep the plantains, first remove the ends, then you will cut it lengthwise through the skin and peel off the skin. After that, you can cut it different sizes. I normally cut it between 4 or 5 pieces, but you could even cut them as little coins or discs. That will definitely make it cook faster. Now let's start cooking. Heat your frying pan to medium heat. Add the butter and fry your plantains until golden brown on all sides for about 3 minutes. Add the brown sugar and keep mixing. The sugar will help with the caramelization. Next, add the cinnamon and the applesauce and stir together. Keep mixing until the sauce has coated all the plantains. At this point, your kitchen will smell heavenly with the mixture of cinnamon, sugar, and butter. A tip here, keep your eyes on the stove. Since the sauce will create a caramel syrup consistency, it will burn easily and quickly. Next, add water and cover your frying pan. Let it cook for a few minutes until the plantains are soft and the sticky caramel sauce has thickened, for about 3 minutes approximately. If the plantains are not soft enough, you can add a little bit more water and cook it a little bit longer. Once they are cooked, serve warm and enjoy. I'll share some recipe variations. You can change the applesauce with your favorite jam, so you can use apricot or even strawberry. If you want to make it fancy, put them in a small baking dish and top them with some marshmallows. It can be the small ones or the bigger ones, and boil them for about 3 minutes or until the marshmallows are golden brown. That is just perfection, and it's perfect for the holidays. And there you have it, sweet plátanos en tentación or caramelized plantains. This is the perfect side dish that you can serve with your everyday lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, the full printable recipe is on my website nashifood.com, and you can find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you enjoy eating ripe plantains, watch these videos next. Until then, keep sharing your love for food. Bye!